Welcome aboard. Step right this way to a Norwegian Getaway. Hip hip hooray! Deck number 10 is where we'll explore to room 10804. A club balcony suite. Oh yes indeed, with space to stretch and room to read. But just wait a moment. Don't rush to the door. There's something fun on the carpeted floor. Look down, look close. What do you see? Little fish swimming, wild and free. Their heads point forward, tails point aft. A clever, cute navigation craft. No need for signs or asking which way. Just follow the fish, they'll lead your day. Now come along, don't lag behind. Let's step in the room, new treasures to find. You go ahead, I'll follow through. There's quite a bit we want to show you. But wait, before daylight fades from sight, let's visit the balcony while it's still light. Unlock the door, click, slide, and see a little escape to the open sea. And light overhead if the sun dips low, and a child lock up where small hands can't go. 2 chairs, a table, not giant, it's true, but oh, what a lovely, peaceful view. We've sat right here just soaking it in, watching the waves with a contented grin. And guess what we saw while docked today? Another great ship not far away. We waved and we laughed from ship to ship, a simple, delightful cruising trip. Oh, balcony suite, we loved you so. Now back inside, come on, let's go. Back to the door where we began to tour each inch as best we can. With this suite comes robes, though not the most plush, still cozy enough for a post-shower hush. Insert your card, don't forget that trick, or lights go dark in just one click. A business card works, we've tested, it's true. A little cruise hack just for you. Set your temp from warm to cool. Adjust it right, that's the rule. And buttons here, what a clever delight. Make up the room or do not disturb with light. Now here's the part that made us stare. The bathroom. Oh yes. Prepare, prepare. So big, so wide. You could dance a jig. A cruise ship bathroom that feels this big? With room for Marshall's long legs, no cramped up corners or awkward pegs. 2 sinks? Yes, 2, side by side, for brushing and chatting with morning pride. Oh, what a dream, we laughed with cheer. This would be perfect for longer stays here. Liquid soap, no slippery bar, a shelf for your things, not near but far. A drawer, a cabinet, space galore, a tidy trash bin on the door. But wait, there's more. Oh yes, indeed. The shower here is quite the treat. Shampoo and gel? Of course. But jets, 6 jets with mighty force. Body jets spraying high and low, a spa-like feel in every flow. Room to move and twist about, not bumping elbows in and out. A clothesline stretches, snap, pull tight, for suits and clothes from ocean delight. Towels and washcloths fresh each day, hooks for hanging along the way. This bathroom, friends, we must declare, is truly something that's quite rare. Step back out, what meets your sight? A mirror tall from toe to height. Now to the middle, come take a look. A sofa long for rest or book. It may not pull out, we think it's true, but still a comfy seat for 2. The decor shines with wood so sleek, refreshed not long ago. It's so chic. A shelf runs long from end to end, a tall person's reach, just ask my friend. 5 cubbies here, count them slow, 1 with a safe for things you stow. 2 sit empty, imagine that, plenty of room for this and that. A tie rack here and hangers wide, with space that make us beam with pride. Not always common at ships at sea, but here, oh yes, it's abundantly. Now this piece here, what can it be? A stool, a table, it's both, you see. Slide it out as you please, A clever design with so much ease. And now a thing we've never seen. A dryer tucked, plugged, and always keen. No digging drawers or cords to find. Just grab and go. So well designed. €2 plugs, we love those best. With adapters put to perfect test. 2 US plugs and lighting bright. A vanity setup done just right. A shelf up top, our cluttered zone, where snacks and odds have made their home. Below, a fridge. Oh, happy days! To keep our drinks both cool and yay. And what's this treat? A bubbly surprise? A bottle of sparkle before our eyes. A sweet perk waiting, still unopened for now. We'll celebrate soon, we just don't know how. The TV turns from bed to chair, so you can watch from anywhere. Storage here and shelves galore. We didn't even need them all, that's for sure. Now, to the bed, the place of dreams, where comfort flows in cozy streams. A king-size bed, 2 twins in disguise. They've brought us rest and happy sighs. No drawers beside, but shelves instead, and lamps with ports right by the bed. USB-A and USB-C, charging devices easily. Controls for lights within your reach, convenience here is well in each. And up above, a curious slot for books or things, we used it a lot. A laptop here, a nook so neat, a tiny shelf that's quite the treat. But oh, this bed, we must confess, has given us our very best rest. Soft like a cloud, a cocoon so deep, we drifted off to perfect sleep. And now the sky has turned to night. We're glad we showed you the balcony light. And here it is, our suite so fine, 10804 on deck 10 line. Our very first cruise with Norwegian flair, with stories and thoughts we're eager to share. A full ship tour is on the way, a full review, we'll have so much to say. So stay tuned in, don't go too far, there's more ahead from where you are. Thanks for watching, we're glad you came. Until next time, enjoy the game.